Welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in today's video you will be told so many funny jokes that you will go crazy laughing after listening to them. Man to carpenter brother, make the bed strong. My son wants to sleep with his daughter-in-law. Carpenter, make it so strong that even if the whole neighborhood sleeps with his daughter-in-law, it won't break. Chilled. How many legs does Papa Hut have? Dad. Not even one son. Chilled. That would do you, say sweetheart. Raise your legs and night. In today's judgment, brother has become bro, uncle has become chachu, sister has become sis, husband has become he. Is it possible that someone has flirted with the word wife?
रुको जरा सबर करो.
Does the pilot know you, Sardar? Sardar, yes, he does. Payo, tell him to slow down and open the hatch when he passes over the sea. Sardar, way, Pappu, I have to throw heavy the meat for charity. Today I was sitting with my aunt and playing Ludo. I said, Aunt, do you think that aunt broke up with me?
तू समझा? हाँ. नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
A man got married to a traffic lady police officer. The next day, his friend asked him, Yes, brother, how was the honeymoon? Man, I celebrated my honeymoon. Sister in law gave me a fine of 8,000 on the first night. Friend, oh my, fine for what? Man, 100 rupees for overspeeding, 300 rupees for wrong side, and 400 rupees for not wearing a helmet. It was written on the shop, all wedding supplies are available. I asked for a bride, what was there in it that would scare away the scoundrels? If you weigh 100 kilogram on earth, you will weigh 38 kilogram on Mars and only 6.86 kilogram on the moon. You are not fit at all, but you are on the wrong planet. Do not change your diet, change the planet. A Pathan fell asleep without doing anything on the day of the festival. After a while, the wife said, Khanji, there is a hole between my legs, Pathan. Then I am wondering where this good air is coming from. A man was newly married, but still he was in no hurry to go home. He used to sit in the office for a long time. One day the boss asked, Are you having a fight with your wife? The answer was, No, sir, there is no such thing. In fact, my wife also works in the evening. Whichever of us reaches home first, she has to cook the food. Girl, what does the boy do? Boy, he is a quality controller in a food factory. Later, it turned out that in the vegetable market, he puts clean tomatoes on one side and dirty tomatoes on the other. So this was our video today. I hope you liked it. If so, be sure to subscribe to this channel and like the video so that every new video can reach you. Thanks.